Let's upgrade my stock headlight on my 2020 to Harley-Davidson Lowrider S.
Alright, this is hard to do with one hand. There we go. We got packing slip, big box. Let me get this open. There it is. The bucket. This is actually the item we've been waiting on. Oh, it looks like they hooked it up with some stickers too. Nice. Got this bucket. Check it out. Alrighty, guys. I'm gonna get the bucket open and then I will continue recording once I get that done. Alrighty, guys, so we got the bucket all the way open. Yep, there is a little plug.
I forgot to mention we are going to be installing the Moons MC Spyder V2 headlight.
The adapter end into there, and
with any Moons MC headlight, if you have a 2018 plus Softail, you will need the bucket
for the
correct
back
adapter.
To the bike, and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. Alrighty, guys, now that we got our new headlight in and our new lamp in, let's go ahead and get this old headlight from Harley off. Now, if there's any of you guys watching that wear glasses, this will probably look real familiar to you, and it's really handy to get these little nuts off of the rings for my Memphis shade bucket. But these are, I call them glasses screwdrivers, but they're just precision screwdrivers. I'm sure you can find them at any hardware store. That's usually where I get mine from. So I'm going to go ahead and get this bucket on, and then we will get the light off. I'm using a flat head, and it is 2.4 millimeters, so keep that in mind. Little screw, that's what it looks like. If I could get my camera to focus, there we go. And then obviously precision screwdriver used to take it out. You go ahead and take off that ring, and this has just enough space that it'll just slide right on out. Alrighty, guys, and now we come to the part where we actually take off our Memphis Shades Road Warrior fairing, but that's not really too big of a problem, because this is made to be quick detachable, and even though I'm struggling with it right now, that's because I'm not doing it the right way. I'm gonna press on the lever and then lift up. So the bolt bracket on the back for these lights is gonna be a T30. Here, I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. So these bolts right here, bolt 1, 2, and then I don't know if you're gonna be able to see them, but 3 and 4. We're just going to take off those bolts real quick. And then we will go ahead and fully unplug the light and start putting together the new one. Never had that happen before. Alright, now that you've got it at this stage, you can obviously see this clasp. Now, this is going to look real familiar in a second. And then our next objective is going to be to get this bolt off, okay? Actually, yep. Just use my hand to get it off. So now that this can just come right on off, just the trim ring for the back of that little old light, let's mock up our new light. Alrighty, guys, I told you it was going to look familiar, and that's because it does. So obviously, this end matches up to this end. We're going to go ahead and put those together. Just drape it over like that so it's out of the way. And then we're going to start mocking the rest of our stuff up. So obviously, this is not going to fit, right? Alrighty, guys, we are back. We got our improvised plastic spacers. So these are just some extra spacers that I had laying around. I've seen a lot of videos where guys are, you know, just going to head on down to the hardware store. It's pretty late where I'm at, however, so that is not really necessarily an option for me. Alrighty guys, as you can see, we got it done. There's our spacer. The bolt runs through. This is nice and snug now. Alright, so now that we've got our spacer and our bolt in, I know that's not the prettiest thing ever. I'm going to have to figure out a way to go ahead and lop off all this excess bolt.
I ended
But
up
I
heading
will
to
go
the
ahead
hardware
and start
store the
putting
next
together the
day
light. Okay?
and replacing the bolt and the spacers.
Alrighty guys, moment of truth. We're going to see if the light
It's pretty
works.
much plug and play from here.
Wow. Yeah, so that's immediately brighter. Let's check the high beams. Yeah, and the pass. Yeah, that is a lot brighter than the original. So I'm going to go ahead and button this up and finish this up. But if you guys got this far in the video, you found it helpful, you enjoyed watching, my name is Nesto. This is my YouTube channel, Nerdmoto. We do install videos like this. We do ride videos. I do short form content in YouTube Shorts and on TikTok. My name is Nerdmoto Official on TikTok. And you know, if you enjoyed this content, please leave a like, hit subscribe, hit the bell icon. It's going to notify you every time I upload. But until then, ride safe, enjoy the ride.